Hello everyone. So in this video, we are going to learn authentication bypass. And I'm going to show you authentication bypass onto a very famous website that is stylecracker.com. Basically, this website is being funded by an Indian Bollywood actress named Alia Bhatt. And this website runs a clothing brand wherein they sell stylish clothes. So I was able to find out a vulnerability onto this website that I'm going to teach you guys into this video. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to make an account onto the website first. So I will just go onto the sign up page and enter my details. So I'm entering my details. I've chosen the name as Rahul Mishra. I'm entering the date of birth. In the phone number field, I'm going to take a phone number. In the email field, I'm going to take my email address. And in the password field, I'm going to choose a password. The profession, let's say corporate, and I'm going to hit on sign up. As you can see, when I hit it sign up, I'm able to see the request into my Burp suite. I will just do intercept response to this request and I will forward this request. Okay, so when I forwarded this request, now as you can see on the screen, it is saying a verification code has been sent to my phone number. Kindly enter the verification code that I have received onto my mobile phone. But instead of giving the right verification code, I am going to give a wrong code. In this scenario, I'm not even giving a phone number. I'm giving alphabets, that is XXXX, and I'm going to hit on verify. As you can see, it gave an error that is invalid OTP. Again, I'm going to give XYZX and I'm going to click on verify. Let me again give 0000, click on verify and intercept the request in Burp suite. As you can see, the post request has been intercepted in Burp suite. Now, I want to see the response of this request. Also, instead of putting the number digits into the OTP, I am writing character strings into the OTP field. Now I'm going to do intercept response to this request and see the response of this request. As you can see, I'm not getting anything into the response right now. This looks interesting because when there is a wrong verification code entered, the application does not passes anything into the body. But I know the application, when validates the right OTP, gives something into the body. So I'm going to try by giving something into the body, that is 1, and forward and do intercept off, and you can see I have logged in into the account. I'm going to skip everything and I'm going to try to go to my profile settings, and you can see my email number and phone number, my email ID and phone number has been taken on to the account. So this was one of the interesting way that through which we did authentication bypass on this website. I'm just trying to log in again to verify that I have taken over the phone number and the email ID. As you can see, I logged in. I will just again go to my profile settings to verify, and yes, I have successfully taken over the phone number. Thank you.